Ayun, I'll keep this short. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat ng nag-attend nito. Kasi actually, we already premiered this in the Philippines, but unfortunately, I wasn't able to attend our first Philippine screening. So actually, first ko to. So first ko siya ma-experience with the Filipino audience. So I'm glad it was here. Gusto ko lang din i-shout out yung Isetan Recto. We want to pay tribute and celebrate this space that held dearly mga queer indie films, even from way back. So, gusto lang namin magbigay loob dun sa espasyong ito. So, it makes me happy to bring the film here at Isetan. And of course, to our collaborators, nandito rin yung iba naming staff and crew and mga other cast members. Salamat sa inyong lahat sa pagbuo ng kwentong ito na malapit sa aming lahat. Yun lang. Thank you so much for being here. And hopefully, makuha namin yung suporta nyo because it is so rare, at least in our, diba, in wider releases, to have queer films like this, to have our spaces outside of yung mga binuo naming espasyo for our own. So, lalabas po kami by next week sa mga sinehan. It will be a very tough battle, pero tulad ng isang indie din, di ba, sa pinamagatang Sunshine, in-inspire na kami that the audience is there, we can make it happen. So, with your support, kayo pong mga nandito, sana ma-spread natin yung word about films like ours na deserve namin yung espasyo na to here and everywhere else in the Philippines. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you, Direk. Okay, so Direk, picture lang daw muna para may pampalit kayo ng cover photo ng ng page ng thumbnails. Dito daw, nakaharap doon daw kayo. Paano ba? Pwego, kayo na yan, trabaho ko ba yan? Sorry, reklamo. Joke lang.